Cái này. Duduk, Bang.
Depan.
Bawa.
Carry on, People fighting is stupid law.
Boleh?
Okay, start.
Right, you want to continue?
Okay. We will start lah, right? Today is a very dark day for human rights. As we all know, we just came out from the court. A very significant case in court, Siva Rasa's case, has been overruled by the federal court. Previously, Article 10, which freedom of speech, can only be restricted reasonably under the federal constitution. That was read in the Siva Rasa's case. Now, the federal court overruled it, saying that as long as Parliament makes law, court interprets as Parliament says. That means the word reasonable restriction is taken out from the federal constitution. Alright, so today is a dark day for human rights. We have actually moved backwards. We thought that today's Dr. Azmi Shahram's case will be a significant case forward for human rights. But today, sadly, we are wrong. And it shows one thing, what Marx says is always true. Law is a tool used by the ruling class to oppress the lower class. The courts today have played the role of a rubber stamp, applying to what the executive's intention, just as what it is. It fails to be a beacon of defense of human rights, and we are very sad to that. And we will still continue to fight the Sedition Act because this act is very draconian, it's old, it's not cool, and so we're going to do something about it. But we can't do it just by everyone here today. We need more Malaysians to help us, more Malaysians to create awareness, more Malaysians to do something. Because posting on Facebook is not going to solve problems. Going to Twitter is not going to solve problems. But taking action will solve problems. If you love Malaysia, you have to speak up now. Thank you.
Alright, so